BPO centers in the world, right?
Yes.
But also it's also because of the unmatched talents that we have here in the Philippines. Number one. Number two is we speak better English than anyone else, any other countries in Asia, right? And number three is that we are really resilient, right? May bumagyo, bumaha, papasok po kami, sir.
Oh yes. Oh yes.
Tama, Donji. Oh, yan, oh, on-set yan, oh.
Kaya nga tayo mga immortal.
Correct. And I think one of the reasons why this has to be talked about is because um, we there are so many people right now who are really undervaluing the BPO jobs, believing that this job or the misconception often reduce the BPO employees to just be script readers or robots lang ang mga BPO workers, or ignoring the skill set and effort and emotional intelligence needed to excel in this in the role, hindi ba? And there's truth in that part na mas mura nga ang labor sa Pilipinas, but that's not just the only reason. And
Yes.
if that's the only reason, mas mura po ang India sa amin, Day.
Oh
Tama ba?
yes.